So in order to clean this area up, we'll use a command called trim. First, let's see what a trim command is. I'll make a random line. Let's say I want to cut a small part of this line, which is somewhere about that much. I want to remove this much part of the line, but retain the two ends. Whenever you need to delete a part of the object, you use this command called trim. And this you can note down. There are 3 steps to trim. First is you identify the portion you want to delete. In my case, let's say I'll identify it as I want to delete this much area, right? The central part. The second step is you need to find one or more objects that intersect the original object on the 2 endpoints. Endpoints matlab the trimming wale endpoints. Let's color code this object for the sake of better understanding. I need to find one or more objects that intersect the white line on the red endpoints, which is over here and over here, because this is the extent I want to trim. Let's say my two intersecting objects are this. They could be two different objects. They can be, the same object going through something like this, whatever be it. But I need to find two objects, which in this case is the yellow line, intersecting the white line at my extents of trimming over here and over here. I'll just delete the red one. Right. So I need to delete the area in between. Right. What I'll now do is the yellow one is called the trimming object and the white one is called the object to be trimmed. I'll select the trimming edge, which is the yellow one, both of them, because I want to delete the central part. So I'll select both the extents so that I can define the AutoCAD knows that, okay, these two are the extent points. So you need to trim around this. I select both of them. I take the trim command, which is TR, first 2 letters of the spelling, enter. And now you will see the moment you bring your cursor over the line, you can either delete the center one, you can delete the one that is towards the left or the one that is towards the right. Right. I'll just click on the center one first. The command is still active. Right. But now you would see you cannot delete the right and left. Now it is not allowing you to delete. Earlier it was allowing you to delete. So the thing is, the trimming edge should intersect with the object and not the case where the object terminates on the edge. Right now, if you see, the object is coming and terminating on this yellow line. In this case, trim won't work because in this case, it simply means you select and delete. Right? Trim works when there is an overlap of object. Then you can select the trimming edge, use the trim command and delete any required portion.